Hey everyone, it's Kayvon with Ascari Art. So this week I want to mini challenge myself into making a human eye. Now, the ultimate end goal for me is to eventually be able to create a full face. Now, I'm not going to do it in the typical style of using alcohol ink markers, like the Copic markers, to draw in the face and then like bleed the face off. No, that's too easy, right? So we're going to do it somewhat different. I'm going to create the eye from the same process of how I make my abstract ink art. It's basically dropping a couple of drops and controlling the ink and forming the eye out of that. Okay, so that's the challenging part. Now, as you may know from my previous videos, you may know a little bit about me. I am an oil painter who went through art school and all that jazz, and I know about the figure. I'm a figurative oil painter. I just, but with alcohol ink, I went away from figurative painting because it was a little less stressful, and I fell in love with the alcohol ink process and the fact that it's so loose and so fun to move, and you create some beautiful stuff from it. Now I'm kind of coming back and I'm thinking, well, maybe I should try some figurative with it. I have control, a little bit more control than I have in the past 5.5 years of using alcohol ink. And I go through phases, just like you would. I'm sure you try something and you like it and then you move to the next. So it's the same process. I just wanted to share this and document this with y'all, that this is an art practice mini challenge for me. I have done, I've practiced, but I forgot to record the one that I did practice on. And here it is. It's just a little mini, just a little eye. Now this one may not come out like the one I just did, but it's okay. It's practice again. I want to see if we can even do it. Now I'm going to put this on a time lapse so it's a little faster because this is an advanced tutorial. So you may not hear me basically give you step-by-step tutorial because it is very advanced. But if you do have any questions or if you want me to do a step-by-step for this, I can try. Once I get a little bit more a hang of it, I can probably do a really good step-by-step tutorial on how to do an eye. But for now, check it out. I can't wait. Let's do it.